It's called CS50.
Yes,
Actually,
50.
you know
Oh,
it?
okay. No, no, I haven't heard of it.
Okay.
I always thought that the Harvard certificates and courses are always like paid, and like there's nothing free from that school.
No,
I always,
they
yeah.
they actually have they actually have a very wonderful course on computer science. So
Oh, okay,
if you
thank you.
I've shared it with you on in the chat box.
Oh,
Like
thank you.
if you take this course, you can be better than 90% of the computer science students that you.
Oh, thank you. I'll check it out.
Yeah,
Good
check
evening,
it out. And
everyone.
you were saying something, Mr. Enoch?
No, I'm saying good evening, Mr. Bayron.
Oh, okay.
Good evening. You can just call me Andrew or Mr. John, whichever is easier.
Okay. Oh,
So
it's you.
where did Mr. Barron come from?
It's just
Oh,
the online handle because
okay.
you don't really want people knowing your real name. So yeah,
Yeah,
especially for Google, because I use my Google email in a lot of places, so it automatically just uses this name.
okay.
Yeah.
That's cool. Are you the one who posted like a problem report in the
Yes, the virtual machine
commission?
hogging the RAM. That was me. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That's cool. You finally managed to like deploy to do the homework and deploy everything.
No, I haven't yet gotten back to that.
Okay.
I haven't gotten back to that.
Yeah, so in this session we just basically wanted to go about how you can get started on the actual on the first homework, on the homework one.
Okay.
How you can implement some of the functions. So let me do this. Let me create a project and show you guys how I would have I would go about it if I was the one really doing it.
Yeah.
Right, so let me share my screen. Let me just go to my desktop and let me open my terminal. GFX new homework one. Taking its time. All right. Now let me see the intro. Homework one. All right. For this one, I don't need the front end. So I will remove this. And this and this and this. Okay, and now I'm left with my in a main.mo file only. Okay, so the homework is here. Where is it? Homework 1. So what I'll do is just to copy the interface for the homework, and I will paste it in my VS Code. And it's giving a lot of errors because we are expecting some return value and we have nothing inside. So I think that's actually a good thing if you're developing, so you can actually see where you haven't done yet. So I'm not going to implement everything. I will implement only a few functions just so you can see how you will be going about it, and then I'll leave the rest for you guys so to finish up. So this one, step 1, define a mutable variable called counter. So what I mean by a mutable variable is I will have to name it bar. Okay, yeah, that's some Copilot thingy, and that's how I would define it. And then for add, really what I would do is counter. Counter plus equal x, and then I return the counter. That's it. This is simple. Subtract again, just like this, and multiply. Well, you guys are developers. This is very straightforward. So not is simple really. And then I will do C, implement C so that I can see the value. I will just be returning counter. And then I will leave the rest of the functions for you guys to implement. But I'm trying to, I want to deploy this. So I will just, my case, I will just comment out this function so that it will deploy, right? And then, yeah, I can just deploy locally and test out my function. I had the local replay running already, so it just kicked out. And then, yeah, I can test add 10. Okay, multiply by 10, you get 100. C, we get 100. Subtract 50. We get 50. And that's it. Let's see, reset. Okay, did I implement reset? It's not expecting anything, so that's why it's not complaining that there's nothing inside the code, but it's doing nothing really. this reset function here. So yeah, that's it with this homework. Like simple like this. You guys just need to finish up the rest of these functions. Step 8, step 9, divide and the reset. Then when you are done, if you are doing it locally like me, you just have to now do FX deploy. And there you have your canister ID. You take it to the website we provided and you just pass it in. Specify that. What's the name? I forgot. Oh, let's see. Yeah. This is it. So log in. Second. Then I'll come to submissions. This is homework 1. I will pass in the candidate ID and submit. So I have completed already. It will tell me you have already completed. But for your case, it will give you an error that some functions are still not implemented. If you have implemented them in full, it will verify and the homework will be marked as complete. So yeah, that's really it. We have some time in this session. I think it can also be a good idea if you guys who are in the call just try to like do the homeworks right now. You can see it can be really quick, especially if you have like Copilot. It can be really fast. I don't know, what do you guys think? Can you do it right now and try to submit and see if you're having some challenges right now as well? Pakama, good evening.
Hi, how you doing? I'm just getting in. I normally only can do one session a day.
Okay.
So I'm catching up, but I actually got a bit far. I installed the thing on the Windows machine for local.
Okay.
And but now the issue is that computer does not have a mic, so I always have to use my other PC, which is a so I've got Playground, and I was about to deploy on the homework. I
Okay.
think for me, what the challenge was I was getting a few errors running it.
In the code itself.
Yes, in the code itself.
Okay.
They wanted type float on counter, right?
Okay.
And then I think I did that for defining the variable. So I think when I started, I started with the actor, the calculator, and then I opened the parenthesis, and then I then was I supposed to define the values before that? I'm not sure.
Okay. So you said you're not on your PC you used, like you can't share maybe what you implementing.
Yes, because it's on Motoko online, right?
Oh,
So
right. Okay, that's fine then. So yeah, you can maybe just if you are still having those code problems, maybe on Telegram.
Yes, so let me telegram you and show you what exactly is going on there.
Sure. Yeah.
And then I'm sure if I can get rid of these syntax issues, I would be able to deploy it, see if it's correct. So, because according we were supposed to then implement those functions step by step, right?
Okay, yeah. But as you can see from these ones I have implemented, maybe you can actually see where you have went wrong.
Yes. I've noticed. So I just jumped on. So I immediately noticed a few things. So let me try and see if we can do this now, because
Okay.
I think while you're available, it's faster and quicker.
Exactly. If you can do it now, that would be cool as well.
All right, but thank you. I think I went back to the other session, so I'm really getting a hang of the syntax and
Okay.
how Matok interacts with the canisters and stuff like that. So I did programming. I think it's been 10 years. So if you don't do it every day, you've got to come back and really jog them.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, but I do get the concept, so I'm really loving it.
Okay. Awesome.
Thanks. It's just you want that aha moment when it works.
Okay. Right. Yeah, Mr. Okay, Andrew, do you think you can do it now? Or are you already working on it now?
Yeah, I'm actually working on it right now.
Okay. Cool. And take off. Hi, Lorita. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I'm all right. Did you finally manage to do homework 1? Or you're about to start?
I have started, but I've not completed it because I was busy with something else.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's fine. If you can finish it in this call, go ahead. That's what others are doing as well. We can just start working on it in this time, and then if you are facing any problems, just speak out.
Okay, sir. So that's the activity for this evening.
Yeah, we went through a few things, but really there's nothing much too new to teach at the moment. So we just want you to do the first homework first, and then we can move on.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you with your PC right now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, yeah, cool. So you can get started on it, and hopefully you can finish it. Yeah, go ahead, Mr. Andrew.
Okay, so I want to try running my code in VS instead of the playground. How do I go about that?
Okay, in VS Code. All right. Can you share your screen? It's okay. Okay, cool. You say you want to deploy it from here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in your terminal, to switch to WSL, so just to bash. Yeah. Yeah. Now you want to deploy it to playground right away, right?
Yeah, if I can run it from here, that would be nice.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so TFX deploy and then tap hyphen playground. Yeah. Cannot find configuration file. Okay. It's in the wrong directory. Yeah, tried. Yeah.
I have it, so I should put it in Hello World 1, right?
Okay. Well, let's see. Yeah.
Okay, I just put it anywhere in here, right?
Or you know what you can do? You can just do create a TFX JSON yourself and or open Hello World, right? Sorry, go to a Hello World, that Hello World program. Open here, just copy the TFX JSON file. Right. And now come and paste it in your project. Yeah, now open VS Code. Let's see. Go to the files section. All right. Open TFX. Try to put there maybe a hyphen. Yeah, so and then yeah, remove the front end canister.
Front end.
Line 7 to line 7 to 19. And remove that colon, that comma here. And then correct the path on line 4. It should just point to your Motoko calculator. So yeah, remove source.
Oh, all of it.
Remove source as well. Yeah, just point it to, I think just do period slash, then yeah. Yeah. Right. Try, and then in your terminal, right? It does cd space. I want you to go to the previous, to go back one directory, cd double period here. Yeah. Okay. Then you do wait, hello world 1. I just want you to get into the project directory. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you do ls? Let's see. Where is it? New folder.
Sorry?
I'm trying to see.
It's in the, this looks like the wrong area.
Yeah, I'm looking for that.
On the desktop.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, you can scroll up. All right. So where is it? It's
This one.
oh, it's in Hello World. Everything is in Hello World 1.
Yeah, the folder is Hello World
The
1.
main. Okay,
on
yeah.
the
So go
desktop,
inside
yeah.
Hello World 1 and then cd into project.
Say that again?
Do cd Hello World 1. Right.
Okay.
Do ls in there. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, now cd project.
Okay.
And now try GFX deploy. Just GFX deploy. Let's see. Yeah. No such file directory. Where is it getting this?
Maybe
There's not even
this
source.
should be project instead.
Oh, but that path, it's like it's reading the path from the previous project. You see, like it's saying it can't find that path.
Yeah.
And we changed that, like there's not even source anymore. Okay, does your VS Code auto-save? It doesn't, right?
Maybe.
need-
It's a fresh install, so it's not something
Oh,
I've been using for long.
Okay, so you need to save the code, go to File, then save. Yeah, now do that again. Deploy again.
Oh, that's not
Okay.
fun.
Yeah, just deploy again that deploying command.
Yeah, it's not allowing me to type.
Huh. Strange.
Okay, let me just close it and open.
Okay. The spelling is not right. Deploy. No such file. Okay, remove this slash. Let's see. Where are we here? This is now it's confusing. Project 1, where is it? Where is project? Okay.
It's just called project, yeah.
And the Motoko is in the project. The Motoko file.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in there. Motoko calculator. It's saying it can't find that file. Motoko calculator.mo. Okay, may you remove that period and slash, just do Motoko. Yeah. Let's see.
No.
Now save.
Oh, save.
Control, it should be Control S.
Yeah, Control S. It's saved.
Yeah.
Part is gone.
No, I still can't find it. Okay, just put a period without a slash and save again. That's strange. The path should be like.
Okay, let me try something.
Okay.
So
Still can't find it. There is no source. Okay, just copy the file and put it in the Hello World project and deploy the Hello World one.
yeah.
maybe the actual code, I guess.
Okay.
You need to get into the Hello World project now.
Oh yeah.
CD into the
Hello World again.
yeah. But now the problem is you are deploying both canisters to the playground. You may just need the back end one, but it's fine. Yeah. So you can do the back end one. What? You haven't saved. But that's
Yeah.
that's
Yes.
strange. Huh.
What is it?
Yeah, it's like it's not reading your new code. The
Must be that
calculator.
old one, maybe.
Yeah. So try to save again. Can you go on file, right? So that it will auto save. Go on file at the top, and then auto save it at the bottom. What file again? There. Yeah, it should be auto saving now. Just deploy again, but do Hello World one back end. Just deploy the back end only to playground. Do DFX deploy, but you are installing both of them. They will take time. You can do Control-C and cancel it.
Okay. You said
Just deploy and then Hello World one backend, TFX deploy.
TFX deploy.
Yeah, Hello World one backend. Hyphen backend, yeah. Playground.
Like that, right?
Yeah. The name you put hello, remove W.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's try again. You can just refresh the one in the browser already, and it's okay.
It's the same.
Strange. It's not saving the new, not reading the new code. Wait. Huh. Go to the DFX JSON. Where did you put the new calculator exactly? At the top there. You see the yellow world backend. Yeah, it's not at the correct location. We are not refer. Just move it to the yellow world backend directory. Drag and drop it
Drag
into
it to where?
to yellow world backend. You saw that?
Oh, here.
Yeah, drop the calculator.mo. Yeah, and then just correct the path here in DFX JSON. MO to calculator.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then deploy again. Yeah, yes. Yeah. And just refresh in the browser.
Okay.
So we can test. Five plus 5. I'm not sure that will work. Let's see.
I don't know.
With 5. Just add the number you want to add here.
Just one number, right?
Yeah. And then divide by 2.
Okay, let me say 10.
Okay.
Let me use an even number. Let's say maybe 5 here. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. 4 multiplied by what? 4.
See if it gives us the same number.
You multiplied.
By
Yeah,
4.
16.
Yeah,
Correct?
4 times 4 is 16. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say 2 divided by 2.
Okay. 16 squared. So
16.
reset. Verify.
I'm curious.
Yeah.
2.
56.
256, 267. Yo.
Maybe there was already another number. Try to reset and try again.
Reset. Zero. Oh.
So you
But
need to
actually,
add.
yeah, I don't know if from add, it's reusing the answer from add to divide, like it's reusing the same number.
Yeah, once you reset, it's reset to 0, right? So if you want to start, you have to add some other number.
Okay, so let's say, let me just say, let's say 4 here.
Yeah, and then
Or I'm going to skip and come here.
power of 2.
Ah,
16.
okay.
And
16.
then
Wait, do I have subtract? Okay, subtract.
yeah.
10. 6. Okay. Now let's say by 2. Oh, wait, I should have done that one again. Okay, 36. That's fine.
6.
Multiply. Okay, multiply by 4. 36 multiplied by 4. Okay, at least it's not giving the floats, the decimals. 144 divided by 2. So why is it saying opt? 2?
You can check at the function. Go to the function, you will see why it's saying opt.
Function.
In your code.
In my code.
What's the name of that function? It's a what? It's a divide. What is it?
Yeah, it was divide. Yeah.
Divide. Yeah, you see the return value. It is a question mark. It's an option. It can be now. It can be no, or it can be an actual value. On line 22, the return value. You see this. You saw it on line 22.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This one.
Yeah. On line 22. Yeah, you see that that question mark there. That's what is making it an option.
Okay.
It can be no, or it can be a value. Let's see. So yeah, it's like that. So it seems to be working. Can you try to submit? Had you registered on that website?
Yeah, I have managed to register, but
with internet identity or
when the moment it mentioned payment and what, I ran away from that option.
okay, you used NFID.
I used the anonymous. I used wait, this the first one. I used the first one that allowed me to register with Google.
Oh, okay. Okay,
the easier way. Yeah.
All right.
And there was an option. There was 2 options for. Is it like anonymous or I don't know? I can't remember. I always went with anonymous.
Okay. So right.
I'm trying to find it because
you want to find what's the URL to that.
Yeah, I have it open somewhere. But
let me send you. Send in the chat. I just sent in the chat.
So figure out where this chat is. Okay. Okay, so this is the one I usually pick when I visit. I avoid this one.
Okay, that's fine. Then connect. And okay, submission. Homework 1. We can get it in the browser where we were testing.
Oh, this one. Oh, this ID.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's it.
Yeah, then submit. Yeah, successful.
Right.
So, yeah, homework 1 is done. Now we can get started on homework 2. Yeah, we are still developing a lot of that stuff. I think by in a few days you'll be able to see your profile information and edit and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Wow.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's great. Yeah. Prakama, did you manage to get through that problem you were facing?
Yes, I removed the first one. I'm just going through the other ones. I'm hoping I can deploy it when I finish.
Okay, that's fine.
But yeah, thank you.
Okay.
I think it's straightforward now.
Okay, cool. Hey, so it's already 9, guys. I think you have seen a lot, some direction, and I'm sure you are now able to finish your projects very well. Thank you so much for hanging around and building like this. If you finish up, submit your homeworks. If you have some problems again, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to be helping you guys. And Tobacco, if you have challenges installing the tools, feel free to reach out again and we'll assist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Loretta, did you manage to get started or have you finished?
I think I'm done, sir. I just need help with submission, I think.
Oh, did you create the internet identity?
No,
Or
sir, I
internet-
haven't.
Okay. Okay, so maybe let's do this after this call. Maybe we can chat in the group.
Yes, sir.
Telegram, yeah. And then you'll be able to submit. But I'm sure you saw what Andrew did, Mr. Baron, and that's basically the steps.
Yes, sir. I picked some of them,
Okay.
but not all of them. Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So good night, guys. Let's meet tomorrow. There will be some new concepts tomorrow, or we might go through homework 2 as well for others. But okay, go ahead.
Okay. I wanted to ask, after the boot camp, what
Mm.
should we expect?
Okay. After the bootcamp, I think during the bootcamp as well, you can start thinking about the project you might want to build for the hackathon.
Yeah.
After the bootcamp, that's when the actual hackathon will be starting. You have learned, I think, enough skills to actually build a real project of your own, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is just preparing you for actually building your hackathon project. So
Okay.
yeah, after the bootcamp, it will be the hackathon, and since this is online, I'm sure the days won't be just 2 days as we had expected before, it will be quite longer.
Okay.
So yeah, just start thinking about what you want to build in the hackathon. Yeah, Mr. Confident, you want to chip in?
Oh yeah. So the other thing is we are conducting these hackathons in different countries. We've done one in Zimbabwe already, and we got some of the students who had the best projects. So we have this one in Botswana. We are going to go to Zambia next, Malawi. We are going to Namibia also.
And
Then
in South Africa as well.
Mostly Southern African countries.
Yes. So after all this, we are done with all these countries. We are going to pick up the best students from each country, probably three or five. Then we'll fly into one country, probably South Africa, where we'll handle a bigger hackathon. So you compete together with your teammates. You make I don't know the best way you think you guys. If you think you can compete alone, or maybe you can become a team as a country, you compete as a team. There's going to be a final winner for those individual countries. I hope you
Okay.
understand.
Yeah. So
Yeah, and then after that, we'll start an incubation program where we'll incubate some of the best ideas to actually make them come to life and actually turn into functional companies. And then we'll help you or assist you to get some funding for that. But it will also start with a grant. So a grant is just some money that you're given for developing. So it's like your salary for the time that you would have spent building on the internet computer. So that comes usually no strings attached, as
Yeah.
long as you're doing something of substance or something that has a real world application.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, we'll always guide you to the next steps. But yes, those are the potential opportunities that you can interface with as we go through the program.
Okay. So what you're saying is for us to get to the point of now competing for the grant will be at an international level, not what we're doing now.
Okay, so not really. You might not go to you might not go to compete with other students from other countries, but if your idea is just good, we can nurture it and look at the feasibility and help you out to apply for the grant, to get the grant. Actually, I mean, I don't know if that's.
Okay,
It
so
doesn't mean that if you don't qualify to go to the next round, that you will not also qualify for the grant. You can, but as long as your idea is good.
it's good. Yeah, okay. So it's possible more than one person would qualify for that like grant opportunity then.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
What's important is the ideas, not the number of people.
Just ideas, yes.
If all of you have some really brilliant ideas, you can all that are grant worthy, you can all get some grants.
Okay, that's actually
It's like,
good to hear.
yeah.
Yeah. So so actually, for some context, for you to understand, you might think these are things that we are just saying, but the grants they are there, they are live. We are also a recipient of those grants, and me and Inoka actively we are building some applications on the internet computer. So this is not something we are just telling you. It's something that we have been doing, yes, and we've experienced it. Yeah, so we understand a lot of how to do it, and so who will be available to help you out and take all the steps going forward.
Okay. And then teams, it's something we form on our own. It's not like we're picked randomly, right?
Yeah, you can. I'm sure it might be best for you to pick who you want to work with.
Okay.
That
Okay.
way it's easier.
Okay. I don't know if there's anything else I'm missing.
Okay.
Anyway, we'll not keep you guys. It's already 9. If you have more questions, let's catch up tomorrow morning at 10.
Okay.
We'll go through some concepts, and then maybe if we still have some time, we'll go through homework number 2. But make sure you do some submissions. As you could see, it's not something that is really difficult. If you have any challenges, make sure you reach out. Okay. Have a great night. See you
Good night.
tomorrow.
Okay.